You're tuning in to a No D's exclusive.
Hey guys, it's No Days. I'm thinking about trying this vlog thing out. You can expect daily vlogs from me. So today, I'll show you my new car I got. Got it as my graduation present. I got my test coming up at the end of October, so get the license, start driving around. Tomorrow, I might be going to the mall, so you expect some videos from there. Just post daily updates so you guys can watch me on. So let's take a look inside. Change the radio stations right from your steering wheel. So that's my new car I got.